In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Stage Manager. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, getting into it, what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application, and then you're going to see a bunch of different things here. So the first thing you want to do is go to multitasking and gestures. And if you're on full screen apps or windowed apps, switch over to Staged Manager right here. And then what you can also do is go to display and brightness, scroll down, and you're going to see a lot of different things. So just make sure you're on screen mirroring or extended display, whichever one you want. Now, what I could go ahead and do is, let's say I want to go to an application like YouTube. It's going to open up for me, but what I can do is I can also select different apps as well. And if I want to go ahead and swipe through, I could select any app I want, or I can, on the bottom right, I'm going to see this like little white area where I can go ahead and scale any application I choose, and then I can even move it around like so. Then I can have YouTube open as well on the side. And yeah, I can have them both together if I want to. And yeah, there's literally so many different things you can do. Well, if you don't like that, what you can also do is go to settings, scroll down to multitasking and gestures, go to windowed apps instead. This is honestly the one I prefer. So if I go over, let's say I want to go ahead and open up YouTube now, I could go ahead and move this to wherever I want. And then what I could also do is I can open up something else. I can open Safari, and then I could go ahead and move this to the left. Then I could, scale this, and I can scroll through YouTube, and then I can search things up while I'm watching YouTube. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. You can have as many things open in the background as you want. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.